50 divided by 10 times the quantity 5 minus 3. I can already hear you saying your answer, and I'm betting you're wrong. Here's the classic mistake. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Then 50 divided by 10 times 2. Most people bunch that together and say 10 times 2 is 20, so 50 divided by 20 is 2.5. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. That's not how this works. Once you solve the parentheses, the 10 doesn't belong to the 2. You've got division and multiplication sitting side by side, which means they're equal in priority, so you go left to right. Let's do this correctly. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 50 divided by 10 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. The answer is 10, not 2.5. You were off by 4 times because you treated implied multiplication like it has special powers. It doesn't. If this got you, smash that like button and subscribe for more problems that expose the gaps in what you think you know.